Look what just arrived, the package that all of us have been waiting for. Let's get straight to it. Hi, I'm Michael Josh. You're watching Gadget Match, and this is our OnePlus 6 unboxing. Now, before we begin, this box is not the actual retail box. So when you go out and buy it, you're not gonna get this big box. This box was put together by the folks at OnePlus, and we thank them for sending this review unit over. I'm pretty excited, so let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. You have the OnePlus logo over here, and then up here, a red pull tab. Let's go ahead and open it up. There you go. Okay, take two. Let's open it up. Ooh, you gotta see this, folks. It says never settle, which has been one of their company's mottos ever since. And like I said earlier, this is a review unit. So we have a review guide over here. So it looks like inside the box, we have the actual phone itself and some cases. Here you go. The OnePlus 6 in retail packaging, and over here on the side of the box, it says Need for Speed. That's a game. And over here on the side of the box, it says the speed you need, which is their tagline for the OnePlus 6. And over here on the back, it says mirror black, so we got the mirror black version. Time for our handy dandy X-Acto knife. First up is the OnePlus 6 itself. Let's lift on this tab. Looks really nice. As you can see, we have this glossy black version. Let's set it aside. Inside this box, a couple of things. Sorry about that, folks. You have the number 6 is actually the instruction guide. Underneath that, you have safety information. You have a SIM card ejector tool. And last but not the least, you have a jelly case, which is tinted in a shade of black. And finally, you have the dash charger and cable. The cable hasn't changed since as long as we can remember, but it's definitely one of our favorite USB-C cables out there that comes with the smartphone. I love this red accent over here. Likewise, if you take a peek inside the USB charger, there's a little bit of a red accent in there as well. Okay, now for the ceremonial peeling off of the plastic. And sticker. There you go. Very beautiful. As you can see, everything is arranged vertically. You have the two cameras, the flash, the fingerprint sensor, the OnePlus logo, and even without turning on the phone, you can already see that the phone actually has a notch, and I spy a screen protector, which we always love to peel off as well. Love it. And as you can see over here on the bottom of the phone, you do have a headphone jack flanked by a microphone, a USB-C port, and speaker grills. On the left, you have a volume rocker and a dual nano SIM card slot. And on the right, you have the power button and one of my favorite hardware features on OnePlus smartphones, a dedicated switch for muting the device or turning off notifications. Up here on the front of the device, you have the selfie camera, earpiece, and some sensors. Now, whether we're talking about never settle or the speed you need, one thing that OnePlus has always been proud of is that they build a smartphone with specs that have no compromises. So having said that, let's roll spec sheet. Now it's time to try on cases. First, let's try on the case that comes with the box. It's this nice clear jelly case over here, so let's take a look and see. Pretty much a standard jelly case. I like that it's translucent so that you can kind of see that mirror finish without having to deal with smudges as much. Okay, next let's move on to the box and see what cases they sent us. You have the nylon bumper case, carbon, ebony wood, sandstone, and silicone. Ooh, this is really nice. This is nylon, and I actually really like this case. On the flip side, there's like felt to kind of protect the glass back. So if you take a look at this case, is elevated. So if you do drop your phone this way, the glass never hits that flat surface. So this is a completely different kind of case. It's more like a shell. It gives it a nice, smooth, matte finish. It does kind of elevate a little bit to protect the camera. So if you're looking for a slimmer case, this is definitely the one to get. Ooh, take a look at that. I am actually a fan of wood cases. They're so unique. So you have that bumper protection up top, and then over here as well. I think consistent with all the other cases, it also protects the camera. Initially, I didn't think I'd be a fan of the dark ebony, but because it is a black phone, I do like it. It's very classic, and it looks really good. If carbon was matte and smooth, this one is like rough sandpaper, basically, almost. Again, it's similar to a carbon case because it's more low profile, it's just thin, but very classic OnePlus. If you're a OnePlus fan, you'll know exactly what I mean. I wish all phones came with this case, to be honest, and I think red and black is an awesome combination. Take a look up front as well. A really nice mix. Now, which case is your favorite? Which case is my favorite? I'm a big fan of the red one, and I really like the wood one as well. What about you? What's your favorite case out of all these cases that we unboxed? Let me know in the comments section below. And that was our OnePlus 6 unboxing. We're working on a full review that will be coming out really soon, and as always, we'd love to know what questions you'd like us to answer in that review, so let us know in the comments section below. As always, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, like our Facebook page, follow GadgetMatch on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.